committed, because without commitment, nothing happens. You have to be committed through the storm and the rain and the heartache and the pain and the disappointment, or you're not gonna make it. It's a commitment, it's not a feeling. But if we fight every day, one of them days gonna be my day.
I am Staff Sergeant Arceo.
Arts.
Specialist Carswell. My name is Specialist Cervantes.
I am Sergeant Clements.
I am Sergeant Sarnay.
Hello, I'm Staff Sergeant Holman.
I'm Specialist Hanson.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Henley.
Hi, I'm Specialist Martinez.
Hello, I'm Sergeant Martinez.
Hi, I'm Staff Sergeant.
Sing a song, we're the army of the free. Count the brave, count the true, who have fought to victory. We're the army and proud of our name. We're the army and proudly proclaim.
Now is your time. Now's the time where the talking is done. Now is the time for you to stand up. Now is the time for you to make your mark. Now is the time for you to say, I'm ready. I'm ready to be the young leader. I'm ready. I'm ready to take the next step. Listen, no more stressing, that's it. I'm not about to let you stress anymore. The stress about graduating is over.
And if you ask her why the heck she puts it, she pushed it for that soldier who was far, far away.
She pushed it for that soldier who was far, far away.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Because now is your time. You've been waiting for everything to line up perfectly, and you've been waiting for the right teachers. You've been waiting for the right school. You've been waiting for the right time. No, you're not waiting for the perfect time. You're making it the perfect time. You don't need the perfect teacher for you to succeed. You don't need to be in the perfect setting. Nah, even when it's not perfect, you're gonna make it. Why? Because you're fueled on the inside. And I'm here to tell you that the beginning of your story may be painful. Maybe the beginning of your story isn't great. Maybe you was a horrible student last year. Maybe the beginning of your story, you couldn't read that well. But I got good news for you. There's another chapter, and the next chapter is gonna be your best chapter. I said the next chapter is gonna be your best chapter, because the next chapter, you're getting ready to write something new. The next chapter, it will say happily ever after. Your next chapter is going to be better than your last chapter, because it's not about how you start. It's about how you finish. How you going to finish?